Hey, what's up guys? If you're looking for a system for your well pump and your well water, so this is our system. Maybe it can give you an idea. So I'm gonna start off with the 20-inch filters. We do have a carbon filter, and a regular paper filter. And then on the right hand side, this one right here, it is a settlement filter. That's it right there. So we go a little above. This one right here is a UV lighting, so it can kill bacteria. We do have the shut-off valves, the pressure gauge on top. So on this side right here, we have a storage tank for the sink upstairs and the refrigerator. We have reverse osmosis. It's right there. So we did get a pump for the reverse osmosis so we could have more pressure upstairs in the sink, because we have a little faucet that pours the water out. So that's the pump, and this is the reverse osmosis, and this is our pressure tank. It's down right there. So this is the whole system basically. See a little farther. It's just like that. So in the description there will be a link of everything. So your pressure tank, you have your 3 filters, UV lighting, settlement, storage tank, 5 gallons, reverse osmosis with permitted pump, your pressure gauge, your shut-off valves, and that is the whole system. Very good system, no issue whatsoever. Very nice.